Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. If you want to get more related content on this channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel at the end of this video. Now today I have these top 3 platforms where you can make money as a freelancer programmer. If you want to work on your own piece of time as a programmer, all you need is a computer and then an internet access. With this you can easily make money even sitting at home. So let's see the 3 platforms that you can easily make money as a programmer. Starting with the 3rd platform all the way to the 1st platform. Now the name of the 3rd platform is what we call Homebase.in. So many different offers are available. All you need to do is to select the one you think you can do, and when you are done with it you get paid for that. So we have data entering jobs which start at $6. If you're able to do it per job, you get paid $6. The next one is what we call content writing jobs. They start at $20 as well. And then we also have online typing jobs which start at $12. And also translation jobs where you have to translate things to a different language, which also start at $7. We also have online survey jobs. You have to take surveys and then you get paid $5 per a survey. Also we have tutoring jobs. You can call it tutoring jobs. You have to tutor people, to teach people what you know, and you get paid for that. It starts at $10 as well. Also we have video and animation jobs. That one starts at $50. We have music and audio jobs. It starts at $30. So let's go to the home page of this platform, what we call Homebase.in. You open here, you can see you sign up for an account with them. You can see the jobs available. We have copy and paste jobs, content writing jobs, graphic and design, video and animation, online typing, proofreading, translation, online tutoring, survey, so on and so forth. We also have what we call programming and tech as well. So this is the 3rd platform. You can give it a try. Now let's check out the 2nd platform. Now the 2nd platform is what we call Fiverr. It's also a freelancer website or platform where you can also work and then get paid for your work as a programmer. So you can see these are the popular tech related jobs available. We have Python developers, HTML and CSS developers, JavaScript developers, so on and so forth. You can scroll down to see more related jobs or offers available. You can see here we have you convert website to an app, Discord server, Python developer, PHP programmer, so on and so forth. So you can go ahead here, go to the home page, you can join Fiverr and then you sign into your account. You can find or browse through the categories and then find tech and programming related offers. You have website development, website maintenance, game development, development for streamers, software development, so on and so forth. And so also you can choose the kind of currency you want to be paid in. We have US dollar, we have euro, pound sterling, so on and so forth. So this is another platform where you can make money as a programmer. You can give it a try. Now let's check out the 1st platform I recommend to you today. Now the 1st platform I recommend to you is what we call Replit.com. I like this platform because you can learn programming and make money alongside on this platform. So this is my account. These are the projects I worked on previously. So let's look at how we can make money on this platform. This is the menu section. You can see at the top left corner, you click on the 3 lines there. Then you can see what we call bounties. That's the green line here. You can click on that, or the green sign. You can see, so the bounties are the offers available where you can work on and get paid when you are done. So you can see this is the highest offer available. We have $2,700 if you are able to do this project. It has been posted 14 days ago. You can see another one is $90 We have only 2 applicants, and then it has been posted a day ago. We also have $225 offer available to as well. We have 3 applicants here too. We have $45. So many offers available. If you're able to do any of this, you get paid as soon as possible. So I hope that you find this video helpful. If you have any comment, let me know in the comment section so that I can help you. Thank you for watching, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Love you.